of the same old navigation buttons on your Xiaomi Redmi phone? Want to jazz up your user experience with a more modern, sleek interface? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to effortlessly transition from traditional navigation buttons to gestures on your Xiaomi device. Let's dive in. First things first, open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. After that, give a gentle tap on the home screen. Now let's tap on System Navigation from here. Next up, simply switch to gestures by tapping right here. Now, if you're not quite sure how to use it, don't worry. Just tap on Learn and follow the instructions. But if you're already a pro at using gestures for navigation, just hit Not Now. And just like that, gesture navigation will be turned on for you. So there you have it. That's how you make the switch to gesture navigation from button navigation on Xiaomi phones. If this video did the trick for you, go ahead and smash that like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Well, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we have got plenty more where that came from. As always, thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.